Secret tunnels 100. North Korea has secret tunnels. North Koreans enjoy regulated entertainment and cultural activities under government control. Beauty of North Korea 98. North Korea's serene landscape and vibrant culture. Media worships 97. North Korean media worships leaders like Kim Jong-un, creating an unmatched cult of personality. Mandatory military service 96. North Korea mandates military service for all genders, shaping lives unequally. Missile test 95. NK's missile test defy norms, raise regional tension and mark it as an outlier. Isolation 95. North Korea tightly controls information flow, creating a highly secretive society. Kwanliso prison 94. North Korea's Kwanliso prison camps subject political inmates to forced labor, torture, and starvation in harsh conditions. Indoctrination 93. North Korea pervasive propaganda shapes education, entertainment, and loyalty to regime. Songbun 91. North Korea's Songbun system sorts citizens by loyalty, impacting access to resources and opportunities. Juche 90. North Korea's unique ideology of Juche prioritizes self-reliance, distinguishing it from other countries. Red Star 89. Yes, Red Star OS is North Korea's operating system for controlling all monitoring online activities. Traffic officers 88. North Korea selects attractive women as traffic officers to improve its international image. Female guard 87. North Korea's all-female KPA female guard unit provides security for top officials. Tourist photography 86. North Korea restricts tourism photography to control its image, tightly regulating what tourists can capture. Juche calendar 85. The decree on the Juche calendar was adopted on 8 July 1997 on the 3rd anniversary of death. Food street 84. North Korea has limited street food, but options include grilled meat skewers, dumpling, and fried snacks. Chewing gum 83. Chewing gum is banned in North Korea to be controlled heavier and maintain order. Ban dogs 82. North Koreans risk the wrath of Kim Jong-un as he banned dogs being kept as pets in his nation. Outside information 81. North Korea restricts outside information, maintaining a government-controlled narrative. Blue jeans 80. North Korea bans blue jeans due to association with Western culture and capitalism. Juche ideology 79. North Korea's Juche ideology: self-reliance, nationalism, socialism. Air Koryo 78. Air Korea known for poor service, limited international routes. Food chain 77. North Korea's global chain: traditional cuisine, cultural performances. Time zone 76. North Korea has its own time zone, Pyongyang time 30 minutes behind South Korea and Japan. Historical tension 75. Korea's split post-World War II created lasting tension between North and South. Economy suitable 74. North Korea exports coal, minerals, textile imports, petroleum, machinery, foods. Sanctions limit trade, hamper growth. Mangyodai Funfair 73. Roller coaster Ferris wheel shooting range unusual in is strict North Korea. Volcano 72. Mount Pekto, a sacred and beautiful volcano, could erupt, causing concern and prompting international study. DMZ 71. North Korea has a nuclear program, conducting tests and facing sanctions. Isolated countries 70. North Korea is one of the most isolated countries in the world. Legacy 69. The Korean War shaped history and culture, with monuments like the one in Chongjin honoring sacrifices. DMZ 68. The Korean DMZ is a 250-meter wide buffer zone between North and South Korea. Juche Tower 67, a highly symbolic tower in honor of Supreme Leader Kim Il Sung personal philosophy. Rollerblading 66. Rollerblading is hugely popular, especially in Pyongyang. Two North Korean children rollerblade. Film propaganda 65. Kim Jong-il used films for regime propaganda, boosting the Kim family cult and state ideology. Anti-America propaganda 64. Anti-American propaganda is school concerning promoting critical evaluation is crucial. Kim Il-sung Square 63. Kim Il-sung Square in Pyongyang, named after the country's founding leader, hosts major state events. Restricted access to capital 62. Pyongyang is the only city foreigners can visit freely. Film Festival 61. Pyongyang Film Festival showcases state-approved films. Sport events 60. National sports event showcases loyalty to the regime. Restaurants 59. State-run restaurants strictly controlled by the government. Film Festival 61. Pyongyang Film Festival showcases state-approved films. Sports events 60. National sports events showcases loyalty to regime. Restaurants 59. State-run restaurants strictly controlled by the government. Music 58. Government-approved music, only state-sanctioned songs are allowed. Rationed housing 57. State-owned citizens live in provided homes, paying fees varying by social class. Pledges 56. Mandatory loyalty pledges required affirmations of allegiance to the regime. Weddings 55. State-organized mass weddings celebrated as a display of loyalty. Limited international flights 54. Few destinations and strict regulations. Abundant propaganda 53. Posters, murals and slogans glorifying the regime. State-imposed curfew 52. Strict regulations on nighttime activities. Ryogyang Hotel 51. Iconic but unfinished tallest structure in North Korea. Mount Kumgang 50. Once a symbol of inter-Korean cooperation towards the region. Strict dress code 49. Citizens required to dress modestly and uniformly. State-sponsored drug trafficking 48. Allegations of involvement in drug trade. Limited electricity 47. Pyongyang's electricity, even in elite areas, is sporadic, with authorities blaming various factors. Valor 46. Military first policy prioritized military over other sectors. State control diet 45. The government rations food distribution, leading to widespread malnutrition and dependency on state provisions. Limited freedom of movement 44. Citizens require permission to travel within North Korea and are heavily monitored by authorities. Education system 43. Education in North Korea emphasizes loyalty to the regime and indoctrination from a young age. State-sponsored tourism 42. North Korea promotes state-controlled tourism, offering limited access to carefully curated destinations. State surveillance 41. North Korea has an extreme surveillance system with citizens encouraged to report on each other's behaviors. State-imposed ideology 40. Juche ideology dominates North Korea, influencing everything from education to culture. Strict social classes 40. North Korean society is divided into rigid social classes based on loyalty to regime and family background. Trade 39. North Korea's economy is heavily reliant on trade with China, its largest trading partner. Underground economy 38. Heavily reliant on smuggling and illicit activities due to sanctions and centralized control. Limited access to healthcare 37. North Korea's healthcare system faces shortages of supplies and trained staff, resulting in poor outcomes. State-sponsored cyber attacks 36. Sanctions and a centralized economy have forced North Korea to heavily rely on smuggling and illicit activities. Abduction of foreigners 35. North Korea accused abducting foreigners for espionage and forced marriages. Forced labor camps 34. North Korea operates a network of forced labor camps where political prisoners are subjected to harsh conditions. Public executions 33. Public executions are occasionally held for crimes against the state, serving as a deterrent to dissent. Suppression of religion 32. North Korea suppresses religious freedom with only state-sanctioned religious practices allowed. Most defections 31. Thousands of North Koreans defect annually, often through China or South Korea despite risk. Day of the Sun 31. Thousands of North Koreans defect annually, often through China or South Korea despite risk. Mansudae Art Studio 30 produces propaganda art and monumental sculpture glorifying the regime. Morvan Bong Band 29. All-female musical group known for patriotic songs. Day of the Sun 28. April 15 celebrating Kim Il-jong's birthday. Kim Jong-il's birthplace 27. Officially Mount Baekdo, though some debates his birthplace. Propaganda village 26. Kijong-dong, a deserted village with loudspeaker broadcasting propaganda. Punishments 25. 3 generations of punishment punishes 3 generations of a family for one member disloyalty. Industrial complex 24. Students bring desk pay for heating some work. Parents bribe teachers to keep kids home. Media control 23. State TV no internet limited 3G for foreigners. Propaganda shapes views in North Korea. Haircut 22. 28 haircuts. Unmarried women, short married, more options. Young men less than 2, older up to 2.5. Industrial complex 21. North Korea reliant on foreign aid. Millions suffer malnutrition and health problems. Cult of personality 20. North Korea is filled with images and statues glorifying the Kim's family. Cult of personality. Supreme People Assembly 90. Supreme People's Assembly rare meetings, mainly rubber stamps ruling party decisions. Industrial complex 18. Kaesong complex, former symbol of inter-Korean unity, now closed due to tensions. Limited infrastructure 17. North Korea's infrastructure lacks with power cuts and rural deprivation. Songun policy 16. North Korea's Songun policy puts the military first in governance and resources. Mass mobilizations 15. North Korea organized mass rallies to show loyalty and celebrate holidays. Mount Baekdo 14. Sacred in Korean folklore tied to Kim family's legitimacy. Supreme Leader 13. North Korea's leader is titled Supreme Leader, signifying absolute authority. Nuclear program 12. North Korea's nuclear program tests despite global condemnation and sanctions. Massive military 11. North Korea military 1.3 million active soldiers plus millions in reserves. Human rights 10. North Korea criticized for rights abuses, repression, forced labor, limited freedoms. Arduous March 9. The 1990s Arduous March famine led to mass starvation and countless deaths. limited internet access. 8. North Korea tightly controls internet access with heavy censorship and monitoring. Propaganda. 7. North Korea is packed with Kim family propaganda seen in images and slogans everywhere. Pyongyang Metro. The Pyongyang Metro, world's deepest subway, also a bomb shelter. Mass games. 5. North Korea mass games synchronized propaganda. Pyongyang Metro. 6. The Pyongyang Metro, world's deepest subway, also a bomb shelter. Mass games. North Korea mass games synchronized propaganda. Close country. 4. North Korea Kim family rules since 48. Il Sung Jong-il Jong-un. Juche ideology. 3. North Korea Juche ideology, self-reliance, leader loyalty. Korean War. Korean War, no peace treaty, just an armistice left Korea divided. Closed country. 1. North Korea closed off limited foreign access, tight control on information.